Hello everyone, Indro here. I know I have been missing for a while now and I'm sorry for that, but I hardly had time to make a video. So I'm back today with a speed art of a Mars colony, which I did as part of a contest on Instagram, but sadly this video will not have a voiceover as I was running short of time. I really don't like making speed arts without an explanation voiceover because I know it may become very difficult for beginners as well as intermediates to follow what's going on. But as compensation, I promise to make my next video an in-depth tutorial on a photo manipulation, and I'm sure you will like it. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on my next video. About today's speed art, this is a Mars base and I drew a lot of inspiration from the Martian movie and several other video games and anime. Now without further wasting any of your time, let's jump right into the composition and I hope you will enjoy it with a nice background music. So this is the final composition I did with the Mars colony artwork, and if you like it, be sure to like and share the video. And as promised, my next video will be an in-depth tutorial, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on that video, and that would also motivate me to keep creating. Well then, I'll see you soon, and till then, enjoy creating.